everyone, I'm gonna be able to do a Halloween look, but it's gonna be wearable. I'm gonna do like a wearable Halloween look to see if you guys want me to do anything like more like scary. If you do, next week I'll upload a scary Halloween tutorial. Today we're gonna be using the Love is Eternal eyeshadow palette, The Nightmare Before Christmas. This eyeshadow palette is honestly like so aesthetically pleasing. Like it's like black and white and it's like square and it just looks like perfect. Plus this where the words come out, it has like this little cardboard thing and it's like fun to look at and feel. When you open up the palette, you see that it has like a mirror and it has all these shades. It has like a bunch of different colors. That's what I like about it. It's not just like a neutral palette or something. Like it has like purple, pink, orange, blue, blacks, whites, grays, and like glitters, and like it's just really fun. It looks like a really fun palette. Like I can't wait to like do my eyeshadow right now. Like honestly, that's the first thing I'm gonna do. I'm that like excited about it. Like it looks like so fun. Like to just be able to play with like makeup and stuff. I'm gonna prime my eyelids and put a little bit of concealer, and then we'll do eyeshadow. Just primed and put concealer. Now I'm think, what should I start off with? I'm gonna go in with Goodbye Jack, this orange one. I'm gonna tap twice, tap the excess off. Crease. Whoa, that is really pigmented. Now I'm gonna go in with Misfit Love a little bit. This is brown shade in the top right corner. I'm just gonna go like back and forth through the same eyeshadow and the crease. It's not a review, but this is a really nice eyeshadow palette. Now I'm gonna go in with Aren't You Scared? This purple eyeshadow. Aren't you scared? Aren't you scared? Aren't you? Well, that one looks really nice. Take a clean brush and just blend everything on the edges, everything, make sure it's all blended. Master of Fright. Take a really small brush and I'm gonna tap quite a lot, but tap off a lot of excess, and then you're gonna go, if you look straight ahead, the part that's darkest in your eyes. The same brush you put on the purple shade, and you're gonna blend that black shade. We need more purple. More purple. And you go in with the orange, and boom, look. So I just went ahead and put more black into my crease. Just needs a little bit more purple right here. A flat concealer brush like this. Then you get your concealer. You're gonna put a tiny amount on the top. So where you just cut your crease, go right above it. Right above the crease. Darken that up a little bit with whatever black is left on your brush. With whatever product's left, again, on your brush. Then we're gonna use purple again. Purple on that outer corner, blend it in. Then we're gonna go in with black. Blend that outer corner. So now that it looks kind of like this, you're gonna take another brush and you're gonna use like a flat side, and we're gonna use Goodbye Jack all over our lid. Tap that into your eyelid. Don't swipe it on, just keep patting it on. And now you're gonna blend a little bit of purple right here to blend the orange into the black. Halloween is like one of my favorite holidays. Alright, now it should look something like this. You're gonna go ahead and take another clean blending brush and just blend all the edges back and forth like that. make it look seamless. I'm gonna do like my face makeup, and then I'll be right back, show you how to do the under eyes. So I just finished my face makeup. I did a really light layer of blush so it wouldn't look too crazy, but now we're gonna do the lower lash line. Using the same brush, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of purple. Lower lash line. Same with the other eye. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight, and I'm gonna use this color called Mischief. And it's actually really pretty. I just swatched it. Look at that. Look how, wow. I'm actually gonna use this as a highlighter too. I'm gonna go ahead and use Mischief on the inner corner and top it off with Dr. Finkelstein. I'm gonna use this purple shade called Undying Love. I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. I went ahead and put that in my waterline as well. If you are gonna put this in your lower lash line, make sure that to blink a couple times and try not to get it on your eye. But if you do, your eye will water a little bit and it won't mess up the makeup. The ghoulish feelings. And you see it kind of gives it like a really nice shine. Carefully apply more if you wish. Look up. That way you don't get any extra into your eyeball. A clean blending brush. And use Goodbye Jack on our lower lash line. Right below where we put that purple and orange shade. I'm going to highlight using Mischief. I'm going over it with Dr. Finkelstein. I'm just dipping in, tapping the excess off, packing a lot on there. Then I'm going to draw a little pumpkin. Let's see how this works. Or if it'll work. Goodbye, Jack. Now I'm just gonna pack on Goodbye, Jack to fill in the pumpkin. Now I'm just gonna outline it with Misfit Love. And don't worry about the edges because we can clean it up with concealer once we're done. So I'm gonna blend this bottom part right here. Now we're gonna make the lines of the pumpkin with Misfit Love. Doll face, this like turquoise color, and going with a little bit of Goodbye Jack to kind of make that green. And then Ghoulish Feelings to make it sparkle. And we're gonna add some eyes and mouth to the pumpkin with Master of Fright. Kind of make two little triangles. Let's do one here. Make like a pizza kind of like that. Kind of make it look angry, you know? Going with a little bit of more Master of Fright. Then for the mouth, we're gonna make basically two little parentheses just where the eyes end, but not towards the end of the pumpkin that much. And you're gonna make zigzag lines. Kind of like this, with more pigment, more eyeshadow. You're gonna do the same on the bottom. This is actually my first time doing like a design, and I'm glad it's not going too bad. I'm just going off of how I know eyeshadow works on my face. So I'm just packing more of black into the mouth. Angle your brush so it's at the same angle as the teeth. Now you're gonna tap a lot of pigment, blow on it, tap it off, and just pack it in. You can do another jacqueline on the other side too if you want, but this is just like to see if you guys want me to do like a more full, maybe a full face kind of Halloween themed makeup tutorial video or something. I don't know. But if you guys like this, leave a like, leave me a comment down below. Let me know down below what video I should do next. I tried on a lip, but it didn't work out, obviously. So, Goodbye Jack. Misfit Love. Kind of basically contour the edges. You know what? Just contour the edges. It doesn't matter if it's messy. We'll clean it up with concealer right now. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!